Hello bakers, welcome into the middle of one of my photography shoots. You're going to be a fly on the wall as we shoot all of our recipes for the next few months. We've made some amazing recipes today, and here's what you have to look forward to. Thought we would do a little bit of caramel sauce on top, the whiskey caramel sauce.
Okay.
That looks good, Carla. We do it a bit more dramatic. That looks, I really like that. Could we get a little bit closer? Yeah, that's yum. This is lovely. I love this. I think we got our thumbnail. Very lovely. Yeah, that's perfect. There we go. Sweet, huh? Okay, we'll finish that one and then we might just use those as our beauties. Can I pull him in a little bit more? We have our waffle batter. Lovely. I wouldn't have thought to have gotten those. Okay, so we get the photo then going into the freezer. Nice, I like that. Yeah, that looks good. That's perfect. Okay. So will we do a vertical now of the milk, Carla? Would you like to have a bite of this cereal?
Yummy, yeah?
Mmm, good. That's a lovely photo. I'm going to put a little touch in the background, just give it a bit of colour. Just trying to think of the final product. Like, are we putting pasta on wood for the final one? For our beauty shots? Can you get me some semolina flour to make my orecchiette? Get a little ball, put your finger on it and you roll it and it rolls over your finger. It looks great. I think it looks great. I think we got it.
Okay.